Hey everybody, it's Carrie Watson, and today we're going to talk about how to edit this photo in a simple vintage edit. So first things first, I want to add some contrast. I want to get this photo looking its best before I start adding vintage edits. So I'm going to go down to my presets below, and I'm going to add my natural light preset that you can find for free right here today in my newsletter. So be sure you go and read the instructions on how to download that preset that takes this photo from here to here. Now, to get started, let's make this a vintage edit. So we're gonna start with a clean slate on this photo. We're gonna open up the color tab on our Adobe Lightroom program right here on our mobile phone. And we're gonna take the temperature up, and we're gonna take the tint up, but we're gonna take our vibrance way down. So you can see it's already getting a nice vintage feel. We add some really yellow tones, some purple tones, but then we also take that saturation, that vibrance down to give it more of a vintage Polaroid feel. And then we're gonna come over to our light section, which is just the next section up over here on the bar on the right-hand side of the screen. We're gonna leave our exposure right where it's at, and we are gonna take our contrast up. We're gonna take our shadows down, which is totally opposite of what I would normally do while editing a photo, but again, we're wanting to get a really nice vintage feel here. So we're gonna take our shadows down and our blacks up. So this is a really good start. It is a pretty nice image, but I also wanna give you guys my best tip and trick. Up in the very top of the screen here on the right-hand side, you'll see the word curve with a little like curve S beside it. This is the curves graph on Lightroom. You really need to learn this. It's really cool, but I'm going to show you how to use this to create a nice vintage feel with the blacks of this image. We're going to fade out those blacks. So first I want you to come at every crossbar approximately on the graph, I want you to make a dot. So the three crossbars across the screen, you do that by just tapping on the line, and then the very bottom dot, you're gonna drag it up, just like so. Just like that, super easy, and that just fades out the blacks. You can click done, and there you have it, guys, a really simple, cool, easy vintage edit for your photos. Again, I'm gonna show you the before and the after. So enjoy, guys. Thanks again. Be sure you're following me on Instagram at Carrie Watson Co, on Facebook at Carrie Watson Co, or join my exclusive group, Photo Finish by Carrie VIP group there on Facebook, where you get to know all the good stuff, all the great tutorials. More than anything, I just want to say that I appreciate you. I'm glad you're here, and I really hope you're learning from me. Be sure to tag me if you edit your photo using my tips and tricks. I'd love to see the work that you're doing behind the scenes too. So thanks again. Talk to you soon.